Hi, this is the Corner Bench with Dr. Brenda, and this is a crunch of a morning. I'm using most of my time, and I don't want to be late today. And I want to get my 200 crunches in, and I'm trying to decide if I want to put in a video or not. So this is going to be it. And that's 100. You know, I learned something about subcutaneous fat and visceral fat. So I have to start focusing more on strengthening also the muscles that are attached to my bones. Whew. That was that. I just wanted to get it in. Accomplish that today.